Hi. I started the vlog and I'm eating. Sorry. Hi, hello, what's up? I just got back from college. I just got myself some McD. This is what I always get. It's the spicy McCrispy. Then I get fries. I usually get medium fries, but today I was just craving fries. So I got myself a large fries. I don't think I'd finish that very easily. And I always get Diet Coke. I love Diet Coke. It's not about the 0 calorie thing. It's the taste. I like the taste of Diet Coke more than regular Coke. But this is bad. Bad for you. We all know that, but we still keep eating, right? That's how we humans roll, I guess. I'm not gonna lie, life has been hard. Having McD for lunch and dinner is bad. While I was at college, after my college, I went to Lynn. I got the whole thing is Lynn because my crazy roommate loves Lynn. And her birthday's coming up, so random shit from Dollar Tree. I actually went there thinking that I want to get some Christmassy stuff to decorate my room. Because my room right now is some disaster. So, yeah, I went in there thinking that I want to get something from there, especially to change that autumn garland. It's been there before autumn, and now it's winter, and it's going to be Christmas, and I haven't changed it. I didn't get a chance to change it, but then I did not get anything garlandy from Dollar Tree. I'll have to go to Dollarama. I want my room to look presentable. Right now it's just too much. So I'm thinking first I'll clean it. There's a lot to clean. So first I'll clean this room and then I'll start putting things up. I thought of getting a tree, but no, I can't. But I really wanted to put up a tree. So badly. Since I was a baby, all I've watched is these English Western movies. And for them, December is just festive month. And it's just all about ornaments and glitter and snow and Christmas tree and presents and all of that. I've always wanted that. I've always wished for that. And when I knew I'm moving to Canada, I was like, I need that. I want that. I want that so badly. Every place I see a Christmas tree, I'm like, Christmas tree, Christmas tree. I get so excited. It's actually kind of sad how excited I get for Christmas tree. Yeah, it's kind of annoying as well. So, yeah, I really wanted it, but I know I cannot. Okay, I finished eating, and then I successfully wasted, I think, about 45 minutes on Amazon. I wanted to buy some things, but I was collecting, putting them into the cart, and I just wanted to buy them all together. So I was just adding them to a cart, and I had about $500 worth of stuff in my cart, and I also needed to figure something out about Kiran's birthday gift. I ordered it, but then they couldn't deliver it, and they just sent it to some post office, and now I have to go and collect it. It's such a headache. I went into Amazon to check out that, and then I was there's $593 worth of stuff in my cart, and I just went and sorted that out and reduced it to around $100. Good thing. Yeah, and now I'm finally up. I need to clean my room really badly. I'm just gonna quickly change because I don't want to wear joggers and thick stuff. This is so nice, but we'll talk about that later. Do you guys remember my black hoodie, the velvet black hoodie that I was so obsessed with? This is a similar material, but it's a sweatshirt from the same brand, George, from Walmart, and it's so good. It's you could sleep in this. It's so nice. But yeah, I'm gonna change this quickly into something more loose and comfortable, and then we'll start cleaning. I'll show you guys what my room looks like at the moment. It's a disaster. I'm taking, literally, please don't judge me. It's so bad. Really bad. Yeah, bad, and it's my fault. It's on me, but it's bad. Yeah, some things are on Kiran also, but still it's bad. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly show you. Don't judge me, please. Yeah. As soon as we entered, our garbage bin is right there, overflowing. We have the shoe stand. That's our portable cupboard. And then we have an extra mattress. That's my ring light. That's the clothes stand, which is always full. And yeah, that's my laundry bag. That's Kiran's laundry bag. That's a mess. That's my suitcase that I took out because I wanted something from it, and then I never put it back. Those are all my stuff just lying everywhere. Oh, yeah, I got a mirror, but yeah. Now I wish I didn't, because you can see everything. And then, yeah. And then I just walked in and I dropped the bag of lint. Walmart. And my jacket is just lying there. That's my bed. That's her bed. That's my bag. That is something that I just finished eating. And we have the table. And yeah, that's what my room looks like. So let's clean it, shall we?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want.